AMBA Stock Analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. Look, I've been in the market for 5 years. I've done 40,000 videos, and I'm not even exaggerating. You can see how much I've done. So I've seen what's making me money and what's not. It's all documented on my YouTube channel. AMBA specifically, I can tell you one thing is that since 2022, we've been just delivering lower lows. And then finally kind of broke structure up, which, I mean, weekly chart's nice. I'm not going to lie, it's quite all right. But last thing that I'm going to do is just go long on the higher time from here. No, like not necessarily. Yeah, like a lower time frame, like 1 to 4 risk to reward at least. That's what I'm aiming for. And again, the management game, you can prefer, like you can do whatever you want. But the way that I'm preferring to get involved here is if the price gives me the rules, right? And if rules are not met, then why the heck would I follow and buy randomly? It's not going to happen. So in the meantime, all I'm doing is I'm waiting for the rules to be met. So that being said, AMBA, I'm not sure if I have previous receipts here. Nothing, but if you want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month trading, click the first link in the description and get my free email.